It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted plumbing and HVAC company since 2009 serving South Central Indiana. If your sink or shower is draining slow and you're about to remodel, pause. A slow drain is not just annoying. It can be a warning sign that turns your brand new bathroom or kitchen into an expensive surprise. Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical helps homeowners fix plumbing issues the right way before they become emergencies. Why slow drains matter more before a remodel. When you remodel, you're usually doing some combination of new fixtures like a bigger tub, fancy shower valve, or new sink, new cabinets and flooring, or new tile and drywall. Here's the problem. Once everything is finished, access gets harder and repairs get more expensive. A slow drain can mean a partial clog caused by grease, soap, hair, or sludge, a belly in the line, which is a low spot that holds water, roots in the sewer line, a broken or offset pipe, or an old line that's scaling shut. If you cover that up with fresh tile and cabinets, you're basically putting a nice frame around a problem. The remodel trap. We see this all the time. First, the homeowner remodels. Before the remodel, the drain was kinda slow, but it still worked. Then, after the remodel, it backs up, sometimes into the shower, tub, or brand new vanity. Now the fix involves opening walls, pulling a toilet, or cutting into finished surfaces. That is the opposite of what a remodel is supposed to feel like. Simple checks you can do today. A few quick things you can look for. Does more than one drain run slow, such as the sink and tub or the tub and toilet? Do you hear gurgling when water drains? Do you get sewer smells? Does the toilet bubble when the tub drains? Does it get worse after laundry or dishwasher use? If you said yes to any of those, you may be dealing with a mainline issue, not just a little hair clog. What we recommend before you start demo. Before the remodel crew starts ripping things out, do 2 smart steps. 1. Get the drains cleaned properly, not just a quick chemical pour. 2. Camera scope the line if there's any history of backups, slow drains, or older plumbing. A camera inspection shows what's actually going on, such as clogs, roots, breaks, or bellies, so you can make decisions with facts. But can't I just use drain cleaner? Drain chemicals can be risky. They often don't fix the real problem, and they can damage certain pipes over time. Plus, if it still doesn't drain and we have to work on it, that chemical is now sitting in the line. If you want a safe first step, start with a basic hair screen and call a pro if it's not improving. Remodel-friendly game plan. If you're remodeling a bathroom or kitchen, here's the best order. 1. Diagnose and fix drainage issues first. 2. Confirm the line is clear and flowing correctly. 3. Remodel with confidence. This is especially important in older homes, where sewer lines can have roots or aging pipe issues. If you're planning a remodel and you've got slow drains, don't ignore it. Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical can clean the line, camera it, and tell you what you're working with before you invest in finishes. Give Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical a call at 812-327-8080 or visit us online at www.riverwayplumbing.com.